Hi, it's Cynthia and Jordan from It's Pouring Paint. Jordan has decided to go ahead and do a couple of the tea light holders that we have. She's been aching to do some for a while now. And we just did these two paintings here up. And I had some leftovers, and she's got 24 karat gold in her hand. And they're all of the same family, and here she goes. She's just going to do some up. Wow. That is so cool. Look, it's like the ridges are like helping them find their pathway down. Look at how much this stuff shimmers. Oh, wow. Beautiful coverage, Jay. It's actually working very well. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? That's the berry they have. Very cool. This is going to be awesome. You got to remember there is silicone in the blue. So this is why you're seeing some cell formulation. I think it's, oh, just a little spot down there. There you go, you got it. Oh, look at this. Wow, Jay. That looks pretty cool.
Pretty snazzy.
Oh, wow. I love the ridges in this. I never thought it would look good, but it really does.
Yeah, it looks...
Look at that shine. It's beautiful. Oh, do your next one.
I think... Oh, okay. All right.
Amazing. See, she puddles it all up at the top and then blows it over so it comes out in different ways. Wow. Look at that down there. It's just shining. And this has silicone in it. Wow. I really love it. Look at this one. So neat. So neat. I don't see any spot. Oh, there's a teeny tiny couple spots there. You got that one. Watch your... She just stuck her little thing in it. The perils, I tell you, of doing this. Oh, I love them. They look so neat. I really think they do. Let me go around. Sorry, guys. Wow. Oh, and they're going to, oh, look at that. And they are going to shimmer like mad. It's going to be beautiful. Wow. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Look at, see the cells popping up at the top. That's so funny. See them?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you want to watch some more, by all means, press the like button and press the the bell, and you can see our next ones. And by all means, leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Be good to yourselves. Be good to others. We'll talk to you soon.